Good morning, students. Welcome to the fourth video of sentences and its types. Before moving ahead, let's recapitulate all the three videos that we did. What is a sentence? Remember, it is a group of words that makes complete sense. It starts with a capital letter and ends in a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. Look at this sentence now. Sky blue the is. Is this a sentence? No. Is it making complete sense? No. Read this sentence now. The sky is blue. It is a group of words, right? And making complete sense. It starts with a capital letter and ends in a full stop. So this is a sentence. We also discussed about different types of sentences. They were assertive or declarative sentence. It is further divided into affirmative, that is positive, and negative sentences. Second is interrogative sentences. Third is imperative sentences. And fourth is exclamatory sentences. We also discussed about the conversion rules. How to convert assertive to interrogative sentences, interrogative to assertive sentences, affirmative to negative sentences, and assertive to exclamatory sentences. This was all about what we did in the last three videos. Let's proceed to the next topic, that is question tag. Some interrogative sentences are formed by adding a question tag. The question tag is a group of words that is added at the end of the sentence, followed by a question mark. Look at this sentence. It is a beautiful day, isn't it? So the statement is, it is a beautiful day, and I'm confirming it, isn't it? Right? Here, the verb would be as per the sentence only. We use the tag questions when we want someone to confirm or agree with something that we think is true. Right? The tense of the tag is determined by the tense of the auxiliary or the helping verb or model in a sentence. If the sentence does not have any auxiliary or helping verb or a model in a sentence, we pick the correct form of do. That is as per the tense of the sentence. Do, does, or did. Say this example. She is a nice girl. So here, this is a statement and the helping verb is. So we'll use isn't. And she, the subject will remain the same. So the complete sentence will be, she is a nice girl, isn't she? Look at this sentence now. She can swim across the river. So here can is used. That is a model. So we'll take can't and subject will remain the same. You like heavy metal music, don't you? Here we do not have any auxiliary or helping verb. So we'll use the correct form of do. And since the sentence is a present sentence, so don't you will be used. Why you? Because this is a subject. It will remain the same. Now look at this sentence. He got top grade in the maths test. Here again we do not have the auxiliary or helping verb and it is a past tense. So we'll use the past form of do, that is did. So it will be didn't he? You have checked all these sentences. Did you notice that in a positive sentence, a negative question tag is there? And in a negative sentence, a positive question tag will be there. If the sentence is an affirmative sentence, the question tag will be negative. Like, she bought a new dress. This is a affirmative sentence, that is positive sentence. Why? Because there is no word like no, not, never are being used. So it's affirmative sentence. So while using the question tag, since this is an affirmative sentence, the question tag will be negative, right? And there is no helping verb over here, so we'll use the correct form of do. It will be didn't. The subject will remain the same. If we have a noun, proper noun over here, we will change the subject as per the noun in the sentence. The second rule says if the sentence is a negative sentence, the question tag will be affirmative. Like, for example, she did not buy a new dress. It's a negative sentence. Why? Because not is used, right? Remember? So while using the question tag, it will be she didn't buy a new dress, did she? So we are using a affirmative question tag in a negative sentence. Hope you got till here. Let's watch a clip now which will elaborate more on the question tags.
We use tag questions when we think people will agree with us. We can also use them to ask if we are correct. Tag questions are attached at the end of a statement. Let's try an exercise about tag questions. This is about affirmative tag questions. First, when the be verb is positive, for example, Mike is a doctor, you use the negative be verb isn't to make a tag question. Also, change the noun Mike into the pronoun he. Since it is a question, you change the order of the subject and noun, so you would say, isn't he? So, finally, Mike is a doctor, isn't he? Second, when the sentence has a regular verb like play, you form the tag question by putting don't or doesn't plus the subject. You play tennis, don't you? Third, when you have a positive sentence with a helping verb, you put can't plus subject. They can drive a car, can't they? On the other hand, when you have a negative sentence like you aren't hungry, you put a positive tag question at the end, like are you? For example, you aren't hungry, are you? He doesn't like pizza, does he? We can't go swimming, can we?
So this was all about question tag. Hope you understood the concept. We'll meet again in the coming sessions. Until then, stay home, stay safe.